Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonnet, the owner and creator behind Sonnet's Garden Blooms. And in today's video, you guys, I rescued a marshmallow tin. And not just any marshmallow tin, but this one is actually made here in Wisconsin. It is so cool, and I have actually been on the hunt for these tins. I found a couple in the wild, and when I was at Water Street Vintage a couple months ago, I was walking through looking at everybody's booths, and this tin caught my eye. It was the exact same shape as a marshmallow tin, but it wasn't. It was sponge painted, these god-awful, ugly colors. And I looked at it, and through the sponge paint, you could see the actual graphics for the marshmallow tin. And I'm like, I have to rescue it. I just have to. I have to try to bring this beauty back. And I was like, am I really spending $34 or $38 on this tin? I'm like, yes, you're gonna spend that, and you are gonna use it in an upcoming video, and you are gonna try to rescue and upcycle this tin back to its glory. So in today's video, I am going to show you the before, what I did, why I did it, and what I would have changed in this rescuing process. So stick around, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you look really close, you can see the graphic behind this paint. And I was so lucky to have just caught it at that right angle that I was able to see that. I'm going to show you a couple of the current tins that I do have, and you can see that there is a lot of wear and tear, even on top. I wonder if it was naturally showing the metal on the top as well, but you can see like these things, they have been through, you know, a lot. But I just love how each of them has their own unique beauty. And this one, I mean, the top part of the paint's gone. Some of the graphics, it looks like it was maybe in a fire. I mean, that's what it reminds me of. Oh, marshmallows. It probably was near a fire. Anyways, that's really funny. I am sick, you guys, okay? I am sick. I have been sick for a week. I have been basically in bed for almost an entire week. The entire weekend I stayed in bed. I was like cringing because this is like the busiest time of the year for small businesses. And I'm trying to get everything prepped for my maker's box. And anyways, so this morning I woke up and I was feeling good. Okay, I wasn't feeling that great. I'll be honest. I was feeling better. And I decided, you know what? I need to put out a video, and I think I'm gonna try to rescue that tin. So this morning, I started doing that. And then there's this one, you guys. And this one too, you can see some of the background is kind of chipping, showing the metal. Again, the top. And now that I mentioned that about the fire, that would make sense why there's like some burn marks on some of these as well. So each of them just very unique in their own way. So I consulted my good friend ChatGPT, and he told me that I needed to use something that was not too harsh, and he recommended Dawn. So in my mind, I correlated to the Dawn Power Wash because this is my go-to for all my pots and pans. And I was thinking it wasn't too harsh because I use it on my pots and pans. But now looking back, I want to know what is in that stuff. He recommended I put it on for 20 minutes, and I put my timer on,
and I wiped it off after the 20 minutes, and it took off a lot of paint, you guys. I was really impressed. I was like, Dawn is going to loosen up the paint, but it did. So I decided then to go back in with a second spray, and even more came off. And then I went back in a third time, and to my surprise, all of it came off, even the green on the side. There was a little green in the little very, very edge of the rim that I tried to scrub out with a toothbrush, but I couldn't get it out. But honestly, you guys, this stuff works miracles. So what I did then next is, after I had the top done, I'm like, okay, I'm just going all in on the base itself too. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do the first coat. I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes. I'm going to come back, wipe it off, and then I'm going to go back in with a second coat. Well, after the first coat, I'm wiping it away, and that's when things went awry. I noticed that I did like a test patch before I even started this whole process. On the test patch, it would have been the second coat, and it was taking the graphics off, and I knew I had to stop. So as I'm wiping this away, the paint is coming off on all the sides, and like I had mentioned, there was just on the very back a test area that I had initially tried this on, and it came off perfect. So I'm like, this will be absolutely perfect. I'll just do the exact same thing I did to the top. And one thing that chat told me was not to use anything super harsh. So like the Goo Gone, it would take away the graphics. So once I got to a certain point and I didn't know how else to get this paint off, I broke out the Goo Gone, and I just used it on Q-tips, and I went in and I did it in like certain spots, and I was able to go around the entire piece and remove the excess paint. And what I did is I just very lightly put it on the Q-tip and very, very lightly rubbed. So now I'm thinking, maybe if I would have gone in with Goo Gone right after the first spray and just did one spray and then went in with the Goo Gone, I think it would have been better. In the end, you guys, I am happy with how this turned out. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, but I rescued it and I was able to show a portion of the graphics.
So is she perfect? Absolutely not. Did I give her new life? Yes. And I am going to proudly display her amongst my other tins. And I am very sad that once I discovered that the Dawn Power Wash was a little strong and was taking off some of the color, and that on this side, I immediately washed it off, but on this side, I'm not sure exactly what happened, but I did try to salvage as much of the tin as I possibly could, and I mean, I love it, and it's mine. I'm never going to resell it, so I love, how I found it, how I wanted to rescue it, and then it made me realize that when I paint something that you guys don't want me to paint, that's exactly how I felt when I found this tin. Like, why would somebody paint a marshmallow tin? And it just made me realize I have to be a little bit more understanding when I get comments of, don't paint it. Oh my God, I can't believe you ruined it. Because they probably did think I ruined it. Because I thought whoever painted this with those sponge painted colors ruined this tin. And I'm glad that now she has made her way into my collection. So you guys, I am going to go lay back down and I'm gonna rest. I haven't been to the gym. I haven't done anything other than lay around in my bed because the next few days are gonna be crazy busy. I'm gonna be packing the maker's box. I'm gonna be shipping that. I just have a lot to do, and this was like the worst time to get sick, right around, you know, Small Business Saturday, Black Friday. And yeah, so needless to say, I am just very thankful I'm on the mend, and I'll be better for the holidays and be able to spend time with my family and friends. So all right, guys, we will see you next Monday. I have a good one planned for you. I'm real excited. But yes, if you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so that every Monday when I upload a video, you'll be notified. And let me know in the comments, I mean, do you think I rescued this tin? I hope so, because I think I gave it new life. All right, we'll see you guys next week. Bye.